In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. This is a very simple task, but it's also a useful one because your LinkedIn profile link is often needed when you're applying for jobs, updating your resume, sharing your professional profile with recruiters, or sending your profile to someone in a message or email. Once you know where to find it, you can copy it in just a few seconds. To begin, make sure you're logged into LinkedIn and on the LinkedIn homepage. From there, look at the top area of the screen and find your profile picture or the icon labeled Me. Depending on the version of LinkedIn you're using, you may see your photo, your name, or just the Me menu. Click that option to open your account menu. After the menu appears, look for the option that says View Profile and click it. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where other people can see your headline, experience, and other public profile details. This is the page you want because the link in your browser at this point is your personal profile URL. Once your profile page has loaded, move your cursor to the browser's address bar at the very top of the screen. The address bar is where the website URL is displayed. Click inside that bar so the full web address is highlighted, or select the entire link manually if needed. Your LinkedIn profile link will usually look something like the standard LinkedIn profile format. Now copy the entire URL. On most computers, you can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by using your keyboard shortcut to copy the highlighted link. Make sure you copy the full address, not just part of it, so the link works correctly when you paste it somewhere else. And that's it. You've now found and copied your LinkedIn profile link. You can paste it into a resume, job application, portfolio, message, or anywhere else you want to share your professional profile. As a quick tip, after copying the link, it can be helpful to paste it into a note or document first just to confirm that it copied correctly. That way, when you need it later, it's ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.